I don't know if this is gonna be too loud or not. It is about 6:30 in the morning. I just got off work. The thing is, today I have a couple things that are going on. I want to get the front end done. After that, I'm heading to take the Nissan to Olympia. Buddy Brian, who's actually going to do an alignment for me. And then after that, we got to get back and get the filming done and everything like that to get this thing posted. But
a few moments later.
I finished it. I don't even know how much was recorded because the battery died on this. I apologize for that. I got done within probably like an hour and a half. I was able to get almost everything done except for lowering the front end of the car. That's the only thing I didn't touch. I'm really late. I'm an hour late. I'm gonna go see Brian. We're gonna get that alignment done for the Nissan. To be honest with you guys, like if you are watching the channel, I don't know how many subscribers I have here and how many of you guys like these videos. But it's times like these when you just don't really want to pick up a camera. You just want to go get this shit done and go back to sleep. But you know, this makes me get up and do the things I need to do. So I guess thank you. You're my motivation to get out of bed and do the shit that I need to do. So good on you. You're doing something right. Let's hit the road. Just fill you guys in. I got it. There you go. It's all done. I don't think I've done a proper introduction to the Xterra. This is my 2002 Nissan Xterra. It's my daily 4x4. It's blue and it needs an alignment. That's about it. Let's hit the road.
2,000 years later.
Whew. Oh, it's so much better. So much better. All right, so I got the alignment done. Thank you, Brian, for hooking me up and helping me out. Apparently, this thing probably isn't gonna alignment in a long time because the tie rods were basically stuck. Yeah, I appreciate them doing this. It took a little while, but I mean, it's probably faster than anything I could have possibly have done, especially when I don't know anything about alignment. So again, Brian, thank you so much for your help. I really do appreciate it. Now let's get home. We gotta start taking the photos, get the car out of the garage, make sure the air system's working and everything like that, and maybe even adjust the ride height, but we gotta see what's going on at home. So back to Tacoma we go. So the car is prepped. We still have a lot more stuff to throw away, but at least we're able to also set up for tomorrow's shoot. Now, granted, tomorrow's shoot is gonna be around noon and we're gonna try to hopefully have decent weather, but I wanna get some shots before the sun goes down. Then we can get this baby on a roll. This is like the finished product so far until we get the new wheels kind of figured out. And then also get the front bumper all figured out as well, because it's not completely done yet. But, really, he's in there pulling out his car just to show off. So we're gonna get this pulled out and probably park it right over there and get this shoot done and get it started. Then we have to send those off to everybody, and tomorrow all you guys will see exactly what the car looks like, unfinished but almost there. We almost lost the tent and almost hit the car. Oops. I think that'll be a good one. I think that'll be a good shot. So I'm gonna take some shots, get them edited. All right, photo shoot is over and I'm gonna go edit. Now, I don't know what's going on with James. I think he's gonna come over tonight and explain to me what the hell he's thinking. No idea what's going on with James. Hopefully he drops by and hopefully it's a GTR. If he doesn't, he better have like an NSX or a RX-7 or some supercar. I'm gonna get in contact with James, and if I find out anything, we're gonna find out what the he's doing. I don't know if it's midlife crisis or what, but you don't get rid of the GTR. So let's see if he changes my mind. I'm gonna go edit. James is actually on his way, and I don't know what he's coming in. I don't know if it's in the GTR or if it's in something else. He won't really tell me. I kind of got a hint that he's not in his GTR, but I don't know if he got rid of his GTR and what car he's in or what's going on. So, and it's been an interesting time. I haven't been really recording or anything like that, but the power went out for like 2 hours, so super late to actually editing these photos and getting them sent off. But every page and group that wanted to participate in this unveiling of the car out there to go public, which you guys will see later on, or probably have already seen, because again, this has not been uploaded. I don't know why I keep doing that. I want to thank every page for participating and sharing the progress of the car and everything like that of the Subaru. Another interesting thing that happened, also talking to Zach, Z-Wing, or Zwing, however you want to say it. He's got a shell. Now, if you know what that means, we might have our next project. Maybe. So the GTR is gone, and I'm going to find out. What the f***? Why? You just wrapped it.
I did just wrap it.
You did. You just wrapped it. You finished the aero.
It's a one-trick pony. That car. It goes really fast. That's all it does, though.
It looks so good.
It has no creature comforts. My legs go numb driving it after like 2 hours. It's a race car with an interior. The transmission sucks. They blow up.
God damn.
The car just it's a one-trick pony. That's all they do. They go fast and they handle really well. That's it.
I swear to God, if you got a Mustang, I'm gonna slap you.
I did not get a Mustang.
Okay.
I guarantee you right that. All the crowds on the way here were safe. Can I use your bathroom first?
Yeah, you go.
Okay.
You use the bathroom too.
Vlog that.
You guys are just like destroying my bathroom. That's all you came here for. I really don't know what the hell this thing is. Hurry up!
I tried my hands on somebody's bath towel. Sorry.
No, it's not mine though.
Would you say you thought it was American?
I thought the
I sent you
interior.
pictures of the gauges.
I know. I saw the interior. I know the inside honestly looked like a freaking Camaro. No, interiors are not my forte of knowledge. What the fuck? Go. You fucking traitor.
I know.
Oh my God.
It's European.
Are you serious?
Yeah, but it's beautiful.
But it's not as thick though. I don't know if I should be mad or happy, but
Not as thick. It's got a lot of horsepower.
I wish there was more light. I wonder what you guys think it is.
650i xDrive, 4.4 liter twin turbo V8.
Oh man.
445 horse stock. I got a tune that's coming that'll take it to 523. That way it's more than what the GTR was putting out, and then I don't feel bad about trading.
What the fuck? I don't know if I should be mad.
It's the hot D, so it's got the two top mount turbos on that engine.
That ass does look good though.
Oh, listen.
It's pretty tame for.
It's tame for now, but it's got a gurgle to it. It's got the digital interior.
I've never seen BMW with the digital like dash.
It's a bit of a rare option called the 6WB dash.
That's why I didn't get why I was like.
Most of them are 6WA, which is it's actually got the real needles. This is completely digital.
Ripperino? You go for get a little a feel? Okay.
Let's go for a drive.
Okay, we're going for a drive. Oh.
He's trying to catch us.
So if you want to see some engineering, the Bang & Olufsen stereo system that rises out of the dash.
Yep.
Yep.
So what's the first mod you're gonna do besides the
tune.
Besides the tune.
I don't know.
It seemed like it just grabbed me. It just said, hey, hang tight, I got you.
Yep, it hugs you.
It's the love hug.
It's like, hey, I'm here. When the hell did you get this thing?
Just now.
Just now.
We came here from the dealership.
That's where you were.
That's where we were in Shoreline. Then you go into sport mode and has that nice exhaust gurgle.
Oh yeah.
It's better than the GTR already. See all around the car.
All right. James officially has a cooler car than me.
Something.
Official.
I don't know if it's cooler, but when did I not officially have one? Oh, hold on.
As soon as you
Look
get
in the back. I don't know if you can see in the back.
What?
We got banging,
privacy.
We got banging
It's
shades.
the bang
So you
shades.
guys can fuck in the
We
back.
got banging shades.
And no one can see without effort.
You guys already did it, didn't you? Like if you approve, dislike if you don't approve. I don't care. You're at least hitting some sort of action. Just do it. I don't know. I don't know how to feel. I really don't. What?
Ignore him.
So he stole my idea.
Who did?
I don't want to talk about it on video.
You're gonna hate me.
Why? What did you do? Oh, you did the same thing.
But different in a way.
Same but different.
Yeah, this was the original idea that I
Oh,
had.
you hand applied them all.
Yes. Took forever.
It looks difficult as shit. I wouldn't want to hand apply anything.
So just need to get the wheels, which if I order them now, it won't be here for about 3 or 4 weeks. So I'm going 2 inches farther out on the rears, and then I'm just taking these rears and going 1 inch farther on the fronts.
Nice.
So yeah, it'll have better fitment then, and then gotta get that wing because it's feeling pretty empty right now.
Yeah, what wing are you doing? Or do you not want to ruin the surprise? I'm guessing that was not ruin the surprise.
Yeah, there it is. James is taking off. I cannot believe he got a 650 Xi instead of the GTR. I get it. It's nice. It's super comfortable. It's really nice interior. It's a beautiful car. You know, I love race car, man. I love race car. I love JDM. So, but I'm happy for him. It looks like it was a good buy. Looks like he's super happy about it, and sounds like he's actually gonna do some stuff to it. So got the photo shoot done. I'm sorry I didn't have any B-roll of like taking photos or anything cinematic really today. Tomorrow's a film shoot of the reveal, and I'm excited. So appreciate it, guys. I'm so fucking tired. I have not taken. I'm so tired. I'm gonna edit some videos. I'm gonna get caught up on the vlog. Peace out, guys. I love you and stay humble.